This money puzzle drives people crazy. Let's take a look at it together. Three friends pay $30 for a meal. The waiter brings back $5 change but gives $2 to the manager and returns $3 to the friends. Each friend got $1 back. So they pay $9 each, which is a total of $27. And the $2 the manager kept makes it $29. Where is the missing dollar? What is the answer to this? Let me know in the comments. You can pause it, go through it, and leave your answer in the comments before I explain it. Now, let's take a look at this together. The trick is in the way the question is worded. Each friend paid $9. Now, if each friend paid 9, so that means they paid a total of 27, right? Yes, they paid a total of 27. So this $27 already includes the $2 that the waiter kept and the $25 that went to the restaurant. So there is no missing dollar anywhere. Let's take a look at it this way. The friends first paid $25 because they paid $30 and they got a change of $5. So that means they paid $25. So out of the remaining $5, the waiter took $2 back. So now this $25 plus the $2 that the waiter took back, then plus the change, the extra $3 that the waiter gave the friends. This makes a total of $30. So there is no dollar left. Did you catch that, or are you still convinced that there is a missing dollar? Let me know in the comments.